Welcome to 10's Rocket Rides! Our next rocket is ready. So, where would you like to fly today?
Planet 2! Planet 2!
A trip to Planet 2 costs 2 pennies each. Let me work out your total. Rex!
Woohoo! Rex is here! So shout hooray! With just one push, you're on your way!
Two and 2 more is 4. 4 pennies, please. Ooh, a 2-penny coin. 2 and 2 ones. That's 4 pennies altogether. Enjoy your flight. Hop aboard. Blast off! Wow! Those are decablobs from Planet 10. Where can we take you today?
Planet 7! Planet 7!
A trip to Planet 7 will cost you 7 pennies each. We're going to need a bigger Rex. My Rex may only go up to 10, but so does mine. Let's double up. 10 and 10
is 20.
Rex doubled up as well. It's Rex and Rex. Rex and Rex is hard to say. Call me Rekenrek. Hooray!
My Rekenrek has even more ways to show numbers. Look. 7 on the top row and 7 on the bottom. The reds are on this side, all 10 of them. Plus 4 more white beads, and 10 and 4 is 14.
So it will cost the two of you 14 pennies, please. And planet 3 for me.
Oh, I didn't see you there. You'll need to add 3 more pennies.
There are 3 more beads on the top row. That's all 10 on the top row, and 5 and 2, 7 on the bottom, which is 17 pennies in total. Uh-huh.
Boing, 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 boing.
What a funny-looking coin.
This trip needs both of us. One, would you mind the counter for a bit?
Yes, please.